Starting affiliate marketing as a beginner involves several clear steps. Here's a detailed guide to help you launch your journey. Step 1. Understand affiliate marketing. What it is. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote other companies' products and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Key components. Affiliate. You, the marketer promoting products. Merchant, the company offering the product. Affiliate link, a unique URL assigned to you that tracks referrals. Step 2. Choose a niche. Identifying your niche. Pick an area you are passionate about or knowledgeable in. For example, fitness, travel, technology. Consider market demand. Use tools like Google Trends or keyword research to find popular topics. Research your audience. Understand your potential audience's needs and preferences. What problems can you solve for them? Step 3. Find affiliate programs. Types of programs. Individual merchant programs. Many companies run their own affiliate programs. Check the website of products you love to see if they have an affiliate program. Affiliate networks. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate aggregate various merchants and offer a wide range of products. Application process. Sign up for the programs you're interested in. Some may require approval, while others allow immediate access. Step 4. Create your platform options for your platform. Blog website. A dedicated site allows for in-depth content creation. Use platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace to build your site. Choose a domain name relevant to your niche. Social media. Use platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok to reach audiences. Create accounts focused on your niche and regularly post content. Email marketing. Start building an email list to promote products directly to your audience. Use services like MailChimp or ConvertKit. Step 5. Produce quality content types. Product reviews. Write honest and detailed reviews about products you promote. How-to guides. Create tutorials that show how to use a product or solve a specific problem. Comparison posts. Compare similar products, highlighting pros and cons. SEO optimization. Research keywords relevant to your niche to improve search engine visibility. Use tools like Ubersuggest or Ahrefs for keyword research. Step 6. Drive traffic to your content organic traffic strategies. SEO. Optimize your website and blog posts for search engines. Social media marketing. Share your content across social media platforms using relevant hashtags. Paid traffic strategies. Consider using Google Ads or Facebook ads to reach a targeted audience. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and questions on your posts and social media to build relationships. Step 7. Track your performance analytics tools. Most affiliate programs provide dashboards to track clicks and conversions. Use Google Analytics for your website to understand visitor behavior. Evaluate performance. Identify which content or products are generating the most sales and focus on those. Step 8. Learn and adapt continuous learning. Follow blogs, podcasts, and courses about affiliate marketing to keep updated on trends and strategies. Join affiliate marketing forums or communities to connect with other marketers and share experiences. Experiment. Try different content formats, marketing strategies, and affiliate programs to see what works best for you. Tips for success. Be authentic. Promote products you believe in and have used, maintaining trust with your audience. Disclose relationships. Always disclose your affiliate relationships in compliance with regulations, for example, FTC guidelines. Stay consistent, regularly produce content, and engage with your audience to keep their interest.